Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is my bad. I'm so sorry. In the example, I said accept the uh, hypotheses, and it's completely wrong. Please accept my apologies. Here's a short video to go over this. At the beginning of the semester, I talked about probability and the factor that everything you're going to do is a probability that's right or it's wrong. Doesn't mean that whatever your answer is wrong, but they put in safeguards such as assumptions and other things like hypotheses to give direction, and that's what it is. The null means no difference or no relationship. Alternative means there's a relationship, or there's no relationship, or there's a relationship. But it really happens by chance, which I can go into a very long lecture on type 1, type 2. Right now, all you need to know is whether it is the null and there's a difference or there's no difference, and that's in the p-value. Remember that we're using the two-tailed test every time. Okay, it's not the one tail, but it's a two-tail. Okay, and in this case, all you have to do is you have to look at the p-value. If it's above 0.05, we reject the null. Okay, if it's below 0.05, you are going to reject the null and accept the alternative. Okay, so if the p is low, below 0.05, it must go. So then you're going to reject the null. Okay. Remember, a lot of things we do, we infer to the understanding that whoever's reading it understands what you're talking about. So the idea here is that when we write it up, if it's above 0.05, we say for the hypotheses, we reject the null, period. You can use what I'm using in the example, or you can just say for the hypothesis, we reject the null. If it's below 0.05, for the hypotheses, we reject the null and accept the alternative. That's all we need to say. Be very direct and to the point. Any other questions, please reach out to me.